Hey guys, so as you might know, I am a member of the 2018 EcoTools Eco Elite, and this month I actually got to curate my very own box, and I'm so excited. Every month EcoTools launches a new box to inspire you guys, and this month is the Alright Let's Do This box. So it's basically all about getting into a new routine for the upcoming season and how to feel good and look good during the busy days, and I am all about that. I just want to thank EcoTools for working with me on this video and also sponsoring this video. So you guys are actually probably wondering how my routine has changed, and I've actually started working out. I know, amazing. So my cousin told me about these workout videos on YouTube forever ago, and I decided to finally kick my booty into gear and actually do them, because as a stay-at-home mom, it's really hard for me to find time to exercise, let alone go to the gym. But now that I've been exercising, I find that my routine has changed a lot. So basically in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I get ready quickly after a workout so I can tackle my day as a mom. So this is the box. Isn't it beautiful? I absolutely love it. And I'm actually the one that curated this box, and you guys will actually find inside this little card, and it has my face on it and my signature. So let's go ahead and peek inside so you guys can see what is actually in this box.
So the first thing that you will find in the box is my card, which says everything that will be in the box: the Travel Detangler hairbrush, the Burt's Bees liquid lipstick Entitled Hope, and the new Travel Perfecting blender, the woven cleansing cloth, a little tumbler, it's the On The Go tumbler, a delicate Eco Poof, which is a loofah for the shower, the Refresh in 5, which is a new multitasking brush kit. It's amazing. The retractable face brush, which I also love. Then we've got a pop socket, which is always on my phone, and then the makeup brush shampoo.
Alright you guys, now that you've seen what is in the box, I'm going to show you this really simple and easy makeup look and just show you guys how I get ready after a really hard workout. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
As we all know, working out causes us to sweat, so there's nothing I love more than jumping in the shower for a quick rinse off. And I've actually been using the EcoTools woven cleansing cloth, and it's infused with bamboo charcoal and is perfect to help exfoliate the skin. And bamboo charcoal is actually known to be antibacterial, so it's really good for purifying. And I've been using this with my Yes to Blueberries body wash, and normally I wash my hair at night, so I just rinse my body off and I'm usually good to go. So after my shower, I like to apply some makeup, but as a mom, I don't have a lot of time after a workout, so I like to do something easy. And I always start out with a moisturizer with SPF, and then I take my EcoTools Travel Perfecting blender and my favorite foundation and apply it to my face. And this blender is really cool because it comes with a travel case. So if you do go to the gym, you can just take it with you and apply your makeup there if you're really short on time. Then I take my Hard Candy Color Corrector Concealer and I apply it under my eyes with the same perfecting blender to brighten everything up. Then you want to finish it off with powder to keep your makeup in place all day, and I use the NYX Loose Powder and the EcoTools Retractable Face Brush to buff it in. The nice thing about the products in this box is they are very portable and easy to store in your gym makeup bag, which is really, really handy. Okay you guys, so now I'm going to show you how great this EcoTools Refresh in 5 brush kit is. So it has 5 interchangeable brush heads, so you can do a quick look and carry all of your brushes in a handy travel size. I'm telling you guys, this product is a game changer. So first I contour my face with the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer in Sunkissed with the EcoTools Refresh in 5 cheek brush. And I love this brush because you can really place the color and then you can also blend it out really easy. And I just do the contours of my cheekbones, around my hairline, and also my chin. So I then switch out the cheek brush head for the base brush head, and this has a nice flat base to apply my blush. And this is the Physicians Formula Blush in Warm, and this is from a previous Make Life Happen box. And as we all know, you can never go without a highlight, especially after a good workout, so I just take my Travel Perfecting blender again and I apply it along my cheekbones. So before we go on, we must complete the eyebrows, and I use my Anastasia Brow Pomade in Chocolate with the EcoTools Refresh in 5 Angled Liner Brush Head. And then I switch it out for the spoolie, and I brush my eyebrows out at the end, and it just gives a really nice defined look. Now I'm going to show you the simplest eye look in the world, but this is great for when you need to get out the door quickly. So first I take my full shadow brush from the Ultimate Shade Duo and this dark brown shimmer shadow from the Ofra Radiant Eyes palette, and I bring it from the lash line to the crease and I blend it out all over the lid using the Precision Blending Brush, which is also from the Ultimate Shade Duo. Then I also take that same color and I blend it onto my lower lash line. Next, I take the concealer brush head from the Refresh in 5 and I use this to apply the lighter shade into the inner corners and the brow bone. And this brush is great for both applying concealer and also good for these small areas when applying eye makeup. And of course, you cannot forget a little bit of black eyeliner on the waterline and the tight line, and some mascara on freshly curled lashes to open up your eyes. And that is basically it, guys. A simple eye look in less than pretty much 3 to 5 minutes. It's so easy, but you look very put together. Now you just want to finish off the look with the Burt's Bees liquid lipstick in Untitled Taupe, which you will also find in my Make Life Happen box. And the thing I love about this is it smells amazing, and the color is absolutely perfect for me if I want a My Lips But Better type of shade. So that is pretty much it for the makeup, you guys. Really simple and really fast, perfect for a mom on the go. And for my hair, I usually like to keep it really simple when I'm in a hurry. I just like to give it a quick brush, and I use the EcoTools Travel Detangler brush, and then I just throw it up into a quick bun and add some fun earrings to frame my face. You guys know how I am about that. And I also take some hair down by my face just to kind of frame it that way as well. And that is basically it. It's very, very easy and very, very quick, and I feel like the earrings just finish it off really well.
Alright you guys, so that's it. A really simple and easy look to get you out the door fast after a really hard workout. All these products are fantastic because they're packaged in a way where you can travel with them really easy and you can just throw them in your gym bag and go, which I love. So go ahead and click the link down below or go to ecotools.com to get your own Alright Let's Do This box. And I just want to thank EcoTools again for working with me on this video and also sponsoring this video. So comment down below if your routine is going to change up this coming season. Are you starting school again? Maybe you're going off to college. Maybe you're, I don't know, starting a new job, or a baby's coming, or maybe it's just simply you have some goals that you want to achieve. So let me know and I will talk to you guys soon. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you guys later.